Hi everyone, you are welcome to our beginners class today. So today we want to find out which sewing machine is suitable for beginners. So stay tuned as we dive into the pros and the cons of these two sewing machines and see which one is suitable for beginners. Let's begin. Let's talk about this vintage machine. So it has a very heavy metallic top and a wooden basin. Okay, it is less expensive in Ghana and you can use it as an electric machine or a normal machine without electric. Okay, and if you want to use it as an electric machine, meaning you have to get the motor and fix it on it so that you can use it. Okay, and the reason why I don't recommend it for beginners is that it is heavy. Okay, and it's not easy carrying it around. So personally I feel as a beginner it is okay to move around with your machine. So I will not choose this particular machine because it is heavy, and secondly because it has only one stitch, that's a straight stitch. Okay, so these are my reasons for not choosing the old vintage machine. Okay, on to the next, we have this plastic bodied sewing machine, which is normally called zigzag machine because of the zigzag feature it has. Okay, so this is also an electric machine, and this is coming from the Butterfly company, just like my vintage machine. This is a bit expensive as compared to the vintage machine in Ghana. Okay, but the reason why I recommend this machine for modern day fashion students that it is lightweight. Okay, so you can carry it anywhere you want to go. Okay, it's easier to travel with it, and aside that it has different stitches, the stitch designs on it. Sorry, so for mine I have about 6 different stitches on it. I have a zigzag stitch, I have the straight stitch, and I have about 3 different designs in addition. Aside that, I use this same machine to create my buttonholes and fix my buttons. And even some designers claim that they are able to use theirs to create knitting stitches, that's using it to knitting their dress after sewing. So I recommend this machine for modern day fashion students. Thank you for watching up to this end, and remember this is part of our free beginners course. Okay, so you can go to my YouTube page and search for more of our courses, from how to stitch to how to thread machine, how to wind bobbin. I have a lot of goodies for all beginners and those who want to learn how to sew. I love you all. Bye.